All right, wildlife warriors, get ready to test your knowledge of Earth's incredible creatures and breathtaking landscapes. Let's dive in.
Which animal undergoes complete metamorphosis? What's the deepest ocean trench on Earth? Halfway there, nature navigators. Did you know some fungi are brighter than glowworms? Trees communicate through an underground network of what? This marsupial consumes eucalyptus leaves. What is it? Which animal experiences true hibernation? Fantastic effort, nature enthusiasts. How many did you get right? Share your score. Follow for more daily quizzes and expand your knowledge.